flower and there is a lotus seed. A lotus, sorry, lotus fruit. Maybe that's
Is
it.
that the at the hotel in the lobby? Not in the lobby before we go to our room. There's like three big
Okay.
yeah, it's like that.
So some people make what they want.
Yeah, yeah.
Usually for us, for this one,
For the
we can.
market. Yeah, going to the market.
នេះខ្ញុំភ្លេចតើណាអានេះយើងហៅត្បាញឬយើងហៅអីមួយទៀតត្បាញចាបើយើងស្មុកយើងហៅចាក់ I asked them what is called in Cambodian they have different names to call about different things that they do it like when they waving the straw mat.
Yeah. So do they make mats here as well? Or do they only do baskets?
No, here only the basket.
Okay.
And we've got a lady making sure that just a lady